everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Sunshine Mix, and for today's video, we are going to do our Sunshine Slam book. Name. My name is Carlos Miguel Gising Urbina. My nickname is Migs. My birthday is on March 28, 2011. My zodiac sign is Aries. Next is favorite things. My favorite ice cream flavor, Rocky Road. Band or singer? Syempre, Beanie and Cloud7. I love Beanie kasi yung kanta nila maganda and also Cloud7. TV show, actually wala akong favorite TV show, only movie. I listen to music when I'm bored. My role model is, syempre, my mother. Next is my favorite sound. The sound, silent lang. Ayoko ng maingay, ayoko ng anything. I just like silent. So, movie, same pa rin, Clueless and Mean Girls. My favorite song is, syempre, Tayo Na. My favorite food is sinigang kasi sobrang sarap niya. Color is black and white. I don't like colors talaga. That's why I pick both. So, drink is soda. Okay, my worst habit is biting my nails. Kasi, sabi ng dentist ko is masama daw. Kaya, yun. I feel excited when I see my favorite idols. What's one fear you've overcome and how did you do it? The one fear is ipis. And how I deal with it, pinatay ko. What is your biggest dream? My biggest dream is to be an artist. Or pag hindi man ako pinagpala sa artist, I would be a lawyer or a doctor. Or mag-workshop ako. So. And that is all for today's video. I hope you liked my episode of Sunshine Slam book. So once again, I am Migs and thank you for watching.